Hey, what's up? In this video, I've got 20 attention-grabbing headline examples that you can use to get more traffic, leads, and sales in your online business. So let's switch over to the computer and start talking about this. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So in this video, we're talking about headlines that you can use to grow your audience, to get more views on your YouTube videos, more traffic to your blog posts, more leads on your squeeze pages, more sales if you're writing your own sales pages, things like that. So what is a headline? How does it work? Why are we talking about this? Really, this is part of what we call copywriting, which is the art and science of writing persuasively. So writing persuasively in order to get somebody to take some kind of action that you want them to take. Writing is not only used just in writing, but it can also be used for things like scripting out a YouTube video or something like that. So here we're focusing on one component of copywriting, which is headlines. Of course, headline are what you put kind of at the top of a piece of content in order to grab somebody's attention. For example, magazines and newspapers will use headlines to grab your attention, get you to pick up that pamphlet, that literature, that magazine, or whatever it is, and read it. Same thing with advertising. Ads will have a headline on there to grab your attention and get you to pay attention to the ad. A blog post, when there's a blog post, it's going to have a title in the blog post. That title is a headline. That, say, for example, you're searching on Google, you see the headline in the Google search results. That headline is going to attract your interest into reading that specific blog post. For YouTube, similar thing. You can make your YouTube title, your YouTube video title, a headline, and also you can use copywriting headlines in your thumbnail in order to get more views on your YouTube videos. So here I have set 10 different templates that we can use, and I have 2 examples for each template, so that's a total of 20 headline examples that we can use. So first of all is list headlines. I don't know why, but for some reason seeing a list like 10 ways, 7 secrets, 5 reasons, something like that, it's always, there's something in there that just catches your attention. So here's my 2 examples. First is 10 ways to make passive income from home. Next one is 7 little known secrets to improve your memory. Next, we've got some how-to headlines, and actually most of these headlines that I have here are some type of how-to headline. And this can be really powerful when someone is looking for specific information on how to do something. You have the how-to headline that says, hey, you're going to learn how to do this. And this really goes well with search engine optimization as well for things like YouTube videos and blog posts. So these are really great for SEO. So here's my first example, how to instantly improve your sales. How to win over anyone. Here's another type of how-to template. This is how to blank without blank is kind of the format here. So an example would be how to lose 30 pounds in 30 days without giving up the foods that you love. How to make money on YouTube without making videos. The next type of how-to template would be how to blank in a short amount of time. So how to create 6 months of content in 1 weekend. How to double your email list in 90 days. The next template we have is how to blank and blank. So now you're telling them that they're going to learn 2 things. So how to win friends and influence people, of course, is one of the famous examples of this. How to make more money and keep it. That would be another example. Here's the next template. How it's going to be a problem, and here's how to fix it. So keep losing your keys. Here's how to fix it. 10 reasons your YouTube channel isn't growing and how to fix it. Here's the next template is the ultimate guide. The ultimate guide to search engine optimization. The ultimate guide to delivering a winning presentation. The next template format would be are you? So are you looking for a proven formula for rapid weight loss? Are you tired of wasting your life at dead-end jobs? Secrets. We all like secrets, and when we reveal a secret, when someone feels like you're revealing a secret to them, that is very great for catching attention. So, some examples: secrets of the world's most influential speakers. 10 secrets the world's wealthiest families don't want you to know. Our next template is little known ways. That's a little similar to secrets. So 4 little known ways to shave $500 from your monthly budget. 5 little known ways to fight anxiety naturally. So that covers the 20 examples there for headlines for you. You can use these kind of templates and kind of make up your own headlines. It really didn't take me long just to come up with headlines for each of these templates. I just kind of took some templates and I just kind of repurposed them to just whatever popped into my mind. And you can see here that these, I mean, if this is a topic that you're interested in, this would probably be something that would catch your interest. So look at some templates, use these templates, find some more templates, and use the templates of headlines to create your own headlines for whatever it is that you're creating. That'll help you attract people's attention, get more traffic, build your business. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next one.